Hello children, I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Mrs. Anjali Khandekar, your maths teacher. So let's learn maths with fun. In previous class, we had already learned the concept of subtraction, correct? Now today we will learn how to understand and solve word problems of subtraction. Okay? So, are you ready to learn the new concept? Fine. Take out your maths textbook, page number 35. The story of laddus. Do you like laddus? Yes, na? So, like you, in this story, Rama liked laddus very much. Let's read this story. Mother made 6 laddus and kept them in a jar. Then she went to the market to buy vegetables. When Rama came home from school, she saw the laddus. The laddus were very tempting. Rama ate 2 laddus. When her mother came, she saw 4 laddus in it. Now mother asked Rama, Rama, did you eat 2 laddus? Rama said, I ate 1 laddu, mother. Then mother asked, Rama, are you telling the truth? Rama said, Mother, I like the laddus very much. So I ate 1 more laddu. Then her mother said, Very good. I am happy that you spoke the truth. Now take 1 more laddu for yourself. Give 1 laddu to your father and to your grandmother, and I will eat this one. So, did you like the story? Okay. Now tell me, how many laddus did mother keep in the jar? Correct. 6 laddus. So, we write here 6. How many laddus did Rama ate? Tell me. Correct. Rama ate 2 laddus. So we write here 2. Now tell me, how many laddus did mother give to Rama as an reward for telling the truth? Correct. 1 more laddu. So write here 1. How many laddus did Rama give in all to her father and grandmother? Yes, Rama gave 1 laddu to her father and 1 to her grandmother. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So we write here 2. Now how many laddus did mother took for herself? Correct. Only 1 laddu. So we write here 1. And the last question is, how many laddus were left in the jar at the end? So tell me first, how many laddus mother made? Correct, 6 laddus. And how many laddus Rama ate? Correct, 2 laddus. So we subtract 2 from 6. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So we write here 4. Now from these 4 laddus, her mother gave her 1 more laddu as a reward. So 4 minus 1 equals to, correct, 3. Now 3 laddus are left. Okay. Now from 3 laddus, her mother gave 1 for father and 1 for grandmother. So we will subtract 2 from 3. Therefore 3 minus 2 equals to, very good, 1. So 1 laddu is left, and this laddu was eaten by her mother. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So 0 laddus were left in the jar. Okay. Achha, 0 means what? 0 means nothing. Understood? Now write the correct numbers in the boxes. 5 minus 3 equals to dash. So we draw 5 dots here. Now 5 minus 3. So we cross out 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Now count how many dots are left. 1, 2. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Now 2 minus 1 equals to dash. So draw 2 dots. From 2 dots, cross out 1 dot. Now how many dots are left? Correct, only 1. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. The answer is 1. Now the next question. 8 minus 2 equals to dash. So we draw 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now cross out 2 dots. 1, 2. How many left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2 equals to 6. The answer is 6. Now 9 minus 5 equals to dash. So draw 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now cross out 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Now the next. 6 minus dash equals to 1. Now in this question the answer is given and we will find out the next number. So in this case we will subtract answer from the question. Okay, and we will get the next digit. So draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now cross out 1 dot. 1. Now count how many dots are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. We will write here 5. 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Understood? Now the next. 7 minus 3 equals to dash. Draw 7 dots. Now how many dots we will cross out? Tell me. Correct. 3 dots. Now count the left dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore the answer is 4. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Now the next one. 9 minus dash equals to 9. So this is the same question we had done earlier. So tell me, what will we do? Correct. We will subtract answer from the question. So we will subtract 9 from 9. Okay, remember student, when we subtract same number from same number, the answer is always 0. Okay, so 9 and 9 are same numbers na? So the answer is 0. Therefore we will write here 0. Now the last sum. Dash minus dash equals to 8. In this question, we will write any two numbers, but their subtraction should come 8. So in this question, we will write any two numbers, but their subtraction should come 8. So 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Okay, so we will write here 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Understood? I think your concept is clear. So, what we learned today? We learned subtraction word problem in story form. Now in next class, we will solve more examples of word problems. Okay? Fine. Now today's homework. Solve page number 35 in your textbook as well as in your maths notebook. Okay? So did you enjoy learning? Fine. Now we will come with the new concept in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most important, stay at your home.